Hi, good evening, all of you. Once again, welcome to my channel. Yesterday, I made a video regarding some job opportunities. Like the topic was about time, and I tried to share with you that how we can help each other if we have if we have in our knowledge, if there is any kind of vacancy, and if you can help any middle class or poor level person so that he can get food for his family. Because of this pandemic situation, lots of families are suffering. So yesterday's topic was time. Today, once again, I am in front of you with a very serious topic again, and the same topic, hand to mouth. But this time we are going to discuss about teachers. See, I'm not blaming anyone. I don't want to use any abusive words, and I don't have any right to use the abusive words. So, just I want a simple answer that after the lockdown was removed, I think, as per my knowledge, well, I am not a big professional or a big, what do you say, position held officer or some kind of huge position holder, but as per my knowledge, I think every sector is today functioning. And yesterday I requested that everyone must have at least one job, and that too feeding his family. I am coming back to my topic. My topic today is about private school teachers. Government school teachers are attending the school, they are coming to the school, they are doing their work. I don't know how they operate, whether they are taking the online classes, or they are visiting the children's residence, or they are correctioning the notes. I don't know anything. Bring a private school teacher. Even my family was running on this basic sum of amount, basic salary. Today, on this day, around, if I approximately calculate, we are near about to complete 1 year now. We are not paid salaries. We means private school teachers, I think they are not paid salaries. I'm not comparing at all up with the government employees, government teachers, and private sectors teachers. But what I think is government should take some initiative. They should think about private school teachers also and their families. I once again request whoever, to whomsoever it may be concerned, as a citizen of this country, this nation, a responsible citizen of this nation. So, sir, madam, anybody, all of you who is listening to me now, who is watching this video on my this channel, I would like to request, I would like to humbly request to look into this matter seriously, because if this will continue in future also, we don't know what is going to happen. Nobody knows. Today, a small labor is also having some kind of work. Yes, we are not getting our food back. We are not backing, uh, or we are not feeling shy to do a small work. Even myself, being a private school teacher, I'm an English language teacher in a school, reputed school. I'm selling vegetables. I don't feel shy. I don't feel shy working as a vegetable seller, but still suffering a lot. Still suffering a lot. I'm talking about the whole private sector school teachers. I don't know whether how many of them are able to feed their families. So, dear all, I humbly request all the ministers, all the uh, big position holders, our education department, and whole nation, each and every citizen of this country, to look into this matter and take it seriously. At least you can pay them basic sum of salary, basic sum, so that he or she can feed his family. Okay, I hope, or as per my knowledge, any private school teacher is not demanding anything still now. The only thing we were hoping that sometime now or then schools will reopen, but the time has passed a lot, and it is becoming very much difficult for us. I don't know what is going to happen next. So please try to understand our problems, our private school teachers' problems, and look into this matter. I request all the citizens, all the nation ministers, honorable ministers, big position holders, to look into this matter seriously and take care of private school teachers' families as your family also. Thank you. Thank you much. Thank you very much for sparing your time. Jai Hind.